This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive Lamborghini Gallardo, updated. Start by adjusting seat, mirrors, and steering wheel for comfort and visibility before ignition. Check that tires and brakes feel normal and fuel gauge is sufficient for your route. Fasten your seatbelt and review dash lights for warnings. Practice clutch feel and gear engagement in a safe side street before attempting higher speeds on open roads. Begin engine warm-up procedures and listen for smooth idle before moving. For manual Gallardo models, depress the clutch fully and engage first gear with gentle throttle input to avoid jerkiness. Practice heel and toe downshifts for smoother braking and rev matching when slowing into corners. Use the gated shifter with direct, decisive movements to prevent misshifts. Stay calm, anticipate each gear change, and build confidence progressively on low-traffic roads. Approach each corner with a plan. Brake in a straight line, select a stable entry, and aim for a smooth apex. Keep your hands steady and eyes toward the exit to guide the Gallardo through the turn. Modulate throttle progressively as you unwind the steering to maintain traction and reduce understeer. Practice threshold braking to maximize stopping force without locking wheels on non-ABS setups. Respect limits and build skills gradually on quiet roads or a track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.